back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do a quick and easy updo. The style I'm showing you today is an updo that I normally wear when I attend weddings. You can also wear when you go to work. You can also wear it when you go to birthday parties, baby showers, when you go to those formal dinners, on vacation. Wear it casually. You can wear anytime. So I'm going to brush my hair. I curled my hair about 3 days ago, so this is what it looks like after. And I parted my hair where I want it to be parted. So now I'm going to add a braid to one side. It is a French braid, so usually I take a big chunk of a section because I want my braid to look thick. So I start the section from the middle of my scalp. I bring it down all the way behind my ear. That way I have a big section to work on. I'm going to tie the rest of the hair to one side, and I'm going to work on my left side. You can part your hair any way you want. This is where I normally part my hair. So I'm going to take a big chunk and I'm going to show you how I braid it. This is a different kind of braid. It's not the Dutch braid I showed you on my first video. This one, it's more of a French braid. So I'm going to take 3 strands, like so. So this is my top section, my middle section, my bottom section. So I'm going to take my bottom section, bring it underneath the middle section, and take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section. Next, I'm going to grab hair from the bottom and add it into the bottom section. And I'm going to take the bottom section and bring it underneath the middle section. And then next, I'm going to take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section. You're just grabbing hair at the bottom and adding it to the bottom section. You're not grabbing hair at the top section. So next, again, take hair from the bottom and add it to the bottom section. And you're going to add the bottom section underneath the middle section. And then the top section, bring it underneath the middle section. And then grab hair again from the bottom section and add it into the middle section. Then you'll take the bottom section and bring it underneath the middle section. And then again, take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section, and then grab more hair at the bottom, add it to the bottom section, and bring it underneath the middle section. Take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section, then take hair from the bottom and add it into the bottom section. Then take the bottom section, bring it underneath the middle section. Then take the top section, bring it underneath the middle section. Then take hair from the bottom and add it into the middle section. Then take the bottom section, bring it underneath the middle section. So now you have a braid. Next, you just do a regular 3-strand braid. You don't have to tighten the braid, because next we're going to at least leave a little bit of a section that's not braided. Hold on to the ends and you just loosen it up a little bit. That way you make it a little bit bigger. You can get an elastic. I ran out and I can't go anywhere to buy a new one, so I normally would tie it with a hair tie or take a bobby pin, just pin it away. Next, we're going to take another section of hair just behind the braid. This piece will help cover up the line that's gonna show behind the braid. Just take this section next. You just put the rest of the hair in a little ponytail. Now just tie it up. You're going to section your ponytail in threes. We're going to braid the ponytail now. Just a regular 3-strand braid. Next, you're going to wrap it around like a bun. Next, you're going to take this section and just bring it downwards. So you cover the line that you see behind the braid and just bring it around and underneath the bun. Next, we're going to take our braid, and it's fine if it's a little loose. So next, you just put it underneath the bun as well as the last one. Wrap it around, and you just have to pin it. There you have a very easy updo. It can be a messy look, a messy updo. So sometimes I would just grab some pieces of hair from the front. Usually go for more of a messy look. That way it's a lot faster for me to do, because normally I do this hairstyle when I attend weddings or when I am a bridesmaid. I'm either doing the bride's hair and the bridesmaid's hair if I'm a part of the wedding as well. So this is the style I would do. It's a quick and easy style. You can also change it up. You can do this braid and have your hair half up, or you can have this braid and have your hair down with curls. So there are a lot of different ways of having this style, but this is the style I usually do to myself when I attend events. If you keep practicing, it's going to work out for you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click your notification button on my channel. That way you can get notified when my videos are posted, which are Mondays and Wednesdays. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.